It's me Palwasha from Inspire Vision English Language Academy. Today I have a very impressive lecture, that is human brain. Before starting my lecture, I want to thank my teacher Sarimat Khan and director of IVA. IVA is one of the best academies in Secleton, which boasts of confidence of every single student. Today is my lecture, human brain. According to experts, when we learn to stand, walk and talk, the weight of the brain increase. All the functions of man life under the control of brain. Human brain is not solid, but it is soft and flexible. Our brain processes and transmits information at a speed of 432 kilometers per hour. Our main brain can generate 12 to 25 watts of electricity. Human brain. Parts of the brain. The human brain has three parts. Number 1, forebrain. Number 2, midbrain. Number 2, midbrain. Number 3, hindbrain. Forebrain. The forebrain has three parts. Number 1, cerebrum. Number 2, thalamus. Number 3, hypothalamus. Cerebrum is the largest part of the forebrain and controls thinking, emotion and intelligence. And the cerebrum has two parts. Number 1, cerebral hemisphere. Number 2, olfactory bulbs. Second part of the forebrain, thalamus. Thalamus controls emotion. Thalamus controls the function of the thalamus is to control the sensation of pain and the sensation of being awake and asleep. Hypothalamus. Well, the function of the hypothalamus is to control anger, pain, happiness and sadness. Number 3, midbrain. Midbrain is the second part of the brain, and the midbrain located between the forebrain and the hindbrain and connect them both and controls body position. For example, when our eyes are exposed to bright light, the pupils in our eyes are smaller. This is all done by the midbrain. Number 3, hindbrain. Hindbrain is the second part of the brain, and the hindbrain has three major parts. Number 1, pons. Number 2, medulla oblongata. Number 3, cerebellum. Pons control sleeping, breathing pattern. Number 2, medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata is the second part of the hindbrain, and medulla oblongata is responsible for heart rate and blood pressure, and in addition to this it also controls coughing and sneezing. Number 3, cerebellum. Cerebellum is behind the medulla and maintain coordination in muscles movement. This it also called motor memory. But when we look from the front, the cerebrum is divided into two parts. One cerebrum on the right side, one cerebrum on the left side, and a cut in the middle, which is called the right hemisphere and the left hemisphere, and connected by the corpus callosum to transmit information the one hemisphere and the other. 70% of people have the world right brain, and 20% of people are in the world left brain, and 10% are people in the world whose brain are functioning perfectly. These people are very intelligent. According to the theory, the right side of the brain control the left side of the body, while the left side of the brain control the right side of the body. I hope you might have enjoyed my lecture. Be the part of IVA. Thank you.